In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add Alex Hormozi type caption in your short form content like Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok videos. And you know what is the best part? You don't need any editing skill for this. You can add Alex Hormozi type captions in your short form content in just one click with the help of an AI tool. So this tool name is Submagic AI. I will give this tool link in the video description. By using the link given in the video description, you can get Submagic AI free account without giving your credit card details so that you can test this platform fully to decide whether this platform is worth your money or not. So when you will create your Submagic AI free account using the link given in the video description, then you will see a screen like this. From here, as you can see, there are lots of options like generating captions, AI auto edits, magic clips, and there are lots of features as you can see. But today we are only going to talk about how you can add Alex Hormozi type of caption using this tool. So for this, you just need to click on this generate captions option which is showing here. Just click on this generate captions option, and here you can upload the file in which you want to add Alex Hormozi type of captions. So for demo purpose, I have already added a clip. So let me click on edit button. So when you will click on edit button, then as you can see, it will show you lots of option here like AI captions, remove silence, AI auto zoom, AI auto b-roll, AI hook title, clean audio, remove bad text, correct eye contact, and there are lots of features. So to add Alex Hormozi type of caption, you just need to go to this AI captions option and click on this styles option. So as you can see, there are lots of caption styles available. Suppose if you want to add Ali Abdal type of caption, then you can select Ali Abdal caption from here, and as you can see, it has added Ali Abdal type of caption in my video. So let me play this clip. Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop. So as you can see, it has added Ali Abdal type of caption in my video. Suppose I want to add Alex Hormozi type of caption, so I can select Hormozi 2 style or Hormozi 1 style or Hormozi 3 style. But personally, I like this Hormozi 2 style because it gives the best caption in my opinion. So if I will select it, then as you can see, it has automatically added Alex Hormozi type of caption in just one click. I don't need to edit anything, or I don't have to spend hours understanding how this platform work. Okay, so let me play this clip again. Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop scrolling. With Submagic AI, you can upload your video, you can add animated captions like this, you can highlight any important word if you want, and even you can add emojis in your video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Submagic AI to add captions in your form video. So watch this video till the end. So as you can see, it has added Alex Hormozi type of caption and it is looking just amazing. And suppose if you want to change the position, then you can simply drag and drop this caption anywhere you want. And suppose if you want to increase or decrease this font size, then also you can increase and decrease the font size like this by just dragging and dropping it like this. Okay, so you can increase and decrease the font size as well. And suppose if you want to further edit this, like you want to change this yellow color with, let's say, green color or anything, then you can select any other color from this box. Suppose I want to change this yellow color with, let's say, orange color, then I can change it from here like this in just one click. So it is very easy. And suppose if you want to further customize this Alex Hormozi type of caption, then you can click on this customize Hormozi 2 option from here, and here you can change anything you want. Suppose if you want to change the font, then you can change the font size, you can change everything from here, even the shadow and everything. As you can see, you can change the shadow colors, stroke color, font color, pen. You can customize everything from here. As you can see, how many words you want to display at one time. As you can see, maximum 3 word I have selected, so that's why it is showing 3 word at a time. So you can customize everything. And also, suppose if you don't want animation, then you can disable it, but I want animation, that's why I have selected yes. And also there are lots of options, like if you want emojis, then you can select auto option from here, and if you don't want emojis in this particular captions, then you can disable it from here. And also there is an emoji animation. So there are lots of customization available here. So it's not just adding the Alex Hormozi type of caption, but you will get full customization option, you can customize every single detail of your captions by editing this. Okay, and suppose if you want Mr. Beast type of caption, then also this caption style is also available. Suppose if you want Iman Gaji type of captions, then you can select Iman Gaji type of caption. So there are lots of caption styles available. So I want to remind you once again that if you want to try Submagic AI absolutely free without giving your credit card detail, then special affiliate link is in the video description. By using the link given in the video description, you will get your Submagic AI free account. You can test all the features yourself. You can upload your video, you can add captions, you can remove bad take, you can remove silence from your video, and you can do everything. You can test this platform fully with Submagic AI free account using the link given in the video description. But there is one problem in the free account, that there will be Submagic watermark in all your videos. So keep this point in mind. Apart from this, you can do everything with your free account to test this platform. And suppose you, after testing this platform, if you found this platform helpful and if you want to upgrade to its paid plan, then you can use the special coupon code Sumit10, which will give you 10% additional discount in any Submagic AI pricing plan. That coupon code is also in the video description. Just go and check it out. So I hope now you understood how to add Alex Hormozi type of caption in just one click with this AI video editing tool, which is Submagic AI. If you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this how to add Alex Hormozi type of caption in one click video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this.